What's up YouTube, J.P.BBQ here, bringing you another video this weekend, barbecue smoking video that is, and this weekend I'm going to be doing something I haven't done in quite a while, okay, and that's going to be smoked chicken wings, okay. I'm going to be using my same style of marinade where I just use salt, use some pepper, and paprika of course, and I'm going to be putting my Kraft Viva Italian dressing on it to marinate it. And once I get them in the smoker and they start cooking, I'm going to put, here it is, Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. If you're not sure what kind of barbecue sauce to get for whatever party you're ever going to be doing, you can't go wrong with this. This is, you know, really good barbecue sauce. Okay, nobody's going to say, "Ugh, that's awful barbecue sauce," but you know, this is good stuff. Can't go wrong with Sweet Baby Ray's. Okay, I know there's other barbecue sauce out there that's, you know, outstanding and dynamic, but if you're in a pinch and you don't know what to get this. Okay, but besides that, I'm going to show you how I'm going to season these chicken wings, marinate them, give them about maybe an hour, hour and a half, maybe even 2 hours to marinate inside the dressing, and then we're going to put them in the smoker. You guys stay tuned, and I'll show you what we got. Just a few seconds just to try to get that skin a little bit crispier. Hey guys, just want to give you an update on how these St. Louis cut style spare ribs are starting to look like. Your friends are going to be like, oh my. What you want to watch out for when you're doing chicken wings, sometimes in the package, some of these chicken wings, you know, the bones could be shattered or broken. You know, something you want to watch out for. You know, last thing you want is somebody biting into a chicken wing that's got a shattered bone and end up cutting the inside of their lips. Other thing you want to look out for is maybe some bruising, but this is probably no big deal because we're going to cut this tip of the wing off, okay, and just leave the drumette with this part of the wing, and this end part, you know, we're gonna cut off. But here's our chicken wings, and we're gonna get started with them, okay. And see how hard it is to cut these bones off. I think you just get it right there, right at the knuckle, and you're good. There it is right there, fellas. Okay, there's one. Two, I may need to get a bigger knife for this. Okay, some of these little ones, probably no big deal. There you go. 3. Okay, but besides that, let me pause the video here, and I'm going to get these wings cut up, and then I'll show you what we're going to do. Just want to show you guys the difference of having some nice leverage with a better knife. Okay, look at that. Right off. Okay. Oh, here's the one that's got the broken bone. Probably what we're gonna do is just cut it right here at the joint. Keep that piece, and we're gonna put this away. Okay, but that's about it. I'm gonna get these little tips, put some salt and pepper on them, and let them marinate for a little while. Okay. Okay, here we go. A little bit of salt. Don't need too much salt because I'm pretty sure that vinaigrette over there, or that Italian dressing, I should say, has got a, you know, certain amount of salt in it. But we're gonna just season these up just a little bit with some salt, some pepper. Oh yeah, man, I love the smell of pepper. Just a little bit of it on here. There we go. Make sure we get them all. Next thing, oh, wrong paprika. Keep taking that one out. There's my other one that's already been opened. Here we go. And let's put our paprika on here. But besides that, that's really about it, guys. That's what they're gonna turn out like. Give them a nice little rub down. Make sure that paprika gets all over it. And we're gonna let these chicken wings season for a little bit before we put them on the smoker. Okay. I'm gonna add one more ingredient to these chicken wings. You can't have chicken wings unless you got a little bit of garlic powder on them. We gotta put some of this stuff on it. You know, this stuff is just so good. Oh yeah, oh man, you can smell it. These are gonna be outstanding. Okay. Ooh-wee. Just a little bit. Or a lot. However you feel, you know, you can take garlic and flip these bad boys over. Make sure we get both sides of this chicken wing with some garlic on them. Okay, but they are looking really, really good. That paprika, the way it gives it some color. Here we go. Put the garlic on the back side, or the front side, I guess this is what this is called. Ooh-wee. Man, smells so good. Okay, well, we're about done seasoning these bad boys. Okay, now it's time to put them in there and get them marinated for maybe an hour or two. Okay, you guys. There we go. There go our chicken wings, all seasoned up and marinated. Well, not marinated yet, but we're going to marinate them. We're going to use our Viva Italian from Kraft, crisp and lively. Okay. Ready? I'll go. Oh my goodness. Can you smell that? How's that smell? Ooh, man, it smells good. Okay. But besides that, we're gonna let these things right here just marinate in this dressing, and we're gonna put it in the smoker in a little bit and see how they turn out. Okay, what do you guys think? Hey guys, these chicken wings have been marinated in this Italian dressing and the rub that I put on it for roughly about an hour. So what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna show them what they look like to you. I'm gonna put them inside this smoker right now and see how they come out. Woo-wee. Alright. We're gonna add a little bit of smoke to these bad boys for about 30 minutes. And then we're gonna crank up the temperature to about 325. Okay, man. You sure do smell good. Take a look at that. How's that look, guys? Yummy, yummy. Wow, that's quite a few wings. I might need another rack. Maybe. Maybe so. Yeah, well, maybe I can squeeze a little bit back in here. Yeah, that's it. That's all that's going on that one. And I'll put the rest of them on this second rack. Alright, close this thing up, see what they turn out like, see how long it takes. Okay, but besides that, we're going to let these bad boys smoke for a little bit, for about 30 minutes. That way they take on that nice applewood smoke flavor to them. And then we're going to brush them down with some of that barbecue sauce that we got from Sweet Baby Ray's. And hopefully we got us some nice chicken wings tonight. Okay, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, these chicken wings are just about done, okay? All that's left to do is to put a little bit of barbecue sauce on it, let that barbecue sauce caramelize over the chicken wing, leave them in there maybe 15-20 minutes, and check them out and have some dinner. But besides that, I'm going to be using a little bit of leftover. You know, my kids like this honey barbecue sauce, and I think I'm gonna try their the Baby Ray's sweet and spicy. Okay, but besides that, I'll show you what these wings look like. Check it out. Here we go. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Ooh-wee. Yes, sir. Not gonna take them out too much, but I'll give you guys a little sneak peek. Look at that. Oh my gosh, they look so good. I'm gonna marinate about half of these with some barbecue sauce, and do the other half with my favorite. I like a little bit of spicy stuff. Okay, but man, do they smell good. Yes, sir. I like this stuff. What I like doing on the weekend, guys. I do some barbecuing, smoking, work all week long, you know, busting your tail off for the man. It's how you relax a little bit. There's gonna be some good stuff. All right, I'm gonna cut it right here and flip them in a little bit. Hey guys, just want to show you what these chicken wings came out like. Okay, I've been smoking them for maybe about 2 hours, 2.5 hours, and did my rub that I usually do, and then I marinated them with an Italian dressing, and then I used Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce on top of them. And now we're gonna take a look at it, and man, do they look good. We gotta do a little taste test. Let me take this little one out right here. Okay, let's check it out. That is good. Okay, but besides that, guys, this is, I guess, Italian style chicken wings with Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, give me a subscription, and please feel free to share this video with your friends. But besides that, we're going to eat some chicken.